Hello everyone, and welcome back to English Speaking for IELTS Beginners. This is day 4 and I'm so happy you're here, practicing your English every day. Let's quickly review what we learned yesterday. Greetings, hello, good morning, how are you? Self-introduction, my name is Janice. I'm from India. Short conversation, nice to meet you. Excellent work. Today, we'll learn how to talk about your family and friends, one of the most common topics in the IELTS speaking test. Repeat after me. I have a small family. There are 4 people in my family. My father is a teacher. My mother is a doctor. I have one younger brother. We love spending time together. Great. Now, let's say all of that in a short paragraph. I have a small family. There are 4 people in my family. My father, my mother, my brother, and me. My father is a teacher, and my mother is a doctor. We love spending time together on weekends. Excellent. Now let's talk about your friends, another favorite IELTS topic. I have many friends. My best friend's name is Alex. We study together. We like watching movies. We always help each other. Now let's put it all together. I have many friends. My best friend's name is Alex. We study together and watch movies on weekends. We always help each other. Fantastic. When you talk about people, try to use describing words, adjectives. For example, my father is kind and hardworking. My best friend is funny and helpful. Adjectives make your answers more natural and interesting. Now it's your turn. Record yourself saying this. There are 4 people in my family. My best friend is very kind. We like to talk and laugh together. Listen to your recording and check. Is your pronunciation clear? Do you sound confident? Practice again until it feels natural. Let's review what we learned today. Talking about your family, who's in it and what they do. Talking about your friends, their names, activities, and qualities. Using adjectives to make your answers more natural. Amazing job today, party popper. You've learned how to talk about your family and friends, one of the most common IELTS speaking topics. Tomorrow, in day 5, we'll learn how to describe your daily routine. What you do every day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this podcast with your English learning friends. Sparkles, keep practicing, keep speaking, and you'll sound more fluent every single day. Sparkles.